Is TubeBuddy worth the money? I'm going to give you a very real practical example of how I think that TubeBuddy is an absolutely fantastic tool if you're wanting to optimize your YouTube videos so they get found, so you get views, so you get your subscriptions up and so on. So I've just recorded a video called Is TubeBuddy Worth It?, which is a different category. And I'm just going to show you the back end as I upload this video and show you the power of TubeBuddy on the back end and how it allows you to optimize your video once you've recorded your video. And then I will show you, after I've done that upload and show you the power of the tool of TubeBuddy doing that, I will show the Keyword Explorer and how powerful that is as well with TubeBuddy, so you can see the whole process. So I've recorded my video, is TubeBuddy worth it? So I'm going to upload that video first of all. So I'm going to go and select that file. So here's my video. So let's click that and upload that. And once that's started to be uploaded, we then want to put in the specific details. So how are we going to target this? So typically with the title, we want the keyword to be pretty much the title as well. So is TubeBuddy worth it was the title for this video, a real user review. Okay, so we add a few extra words in there just to do that. Now we're going to put a description in. Is TubeBuddy worth it? This is my short video review showing you how powerful TubeBuddy is, so you can make your own mind up whether TubeBuddy is worth it. So I've got TubeBuddy, the word worth. These are part of my keys. So my four-word key phrase is TubeBuddy worth it. That's what I'm aiming for as my target phrase. Now we get into the section. I need to first of all just upload a thumbnail. So I've already got my thumbnail prepared. You need a good thumbnail as well. It's obviously when people are going through videos to attract people on that. But now we come into the optimization section. Down below there we've got tags. Now this is where TubeBuddy gives you tag tools. So first of all we want is TubeBuddy worth it? Okay, so that is one of our key phrases. We're also going to use TubeBuddy worth it is let's see what else it's suggesting for TubeBuddy. So if we go TubeBuddy, and it tells us some other related search terms that other people, I think this is what other TubeBuddy users have put in. So TubeBuddy tutorial, we could put that in as a possible related search. TubeBuddy review, I've not particularly targeted for these particular keywords, but by adding extra keywords in, then YouTube will know that this really is about TubeBuddy, because we need to do everything we can to help YouTube understand what our video is about. I'm also going to demonstrate the Keyword Explorer in just a moment, so I'm going to add that in to the video as well, and that is actually included on that video that I've just uploaded. That I think will do. There's not many keywords there. We're allowed up to 500 characters in our tags, but that just helps YouTube identify, well, what is it our video is about. The other thing I need to do is just choose a playlist. So I'm going to choose a playlist that I've already got. So that's going to be YouTube SEO. So I'm going to put it in that playlist and click done. So that again also helps optimize this for YouTube. That's that page done. But this is a really useful section here. This is what TubeBuddy adds in for the power. Actually, let's just put in that one, Tube and Buddy, as two separate keywords as well. And TubeBuddy review, three separate keywords on that. That'll do. I don't want to go over the top with these keywords because it's really about the is TubeBuddy worth it? Worth it, TubeBuddy review, TubeBuddy, and so on. Let's just put the word worth in as well, and it. Okay, so now we go on to the next, which is monetization. I always switch that off initially just to speed up the process. Then we go to video elements. I don't put any video elements in. I probably ought to, so this is not as optimized as it could be. And then visibility, we're going to go public with that, and then we click on publish. So that is that video. Is TubeBuddy worth it? So if you want to do a search on YouTube for is TubeBuddy worth it, hopefully you'll find that video that I've just recorded me uploading. You'll find that well in the search results. But I also want to add this video, which I'm recording now, which is going to be on the key phrase, is TubeBuddy worth the money? Now the reason I've got that, TubeBuddy is an extension here which is in my browser, so click on this, and I'm going to use the keyword tool here to get the optimization, find out, well, what is a key phrase worth looking for? So is TubeBuddy worth it? That was the phrase of the video I've just uploaded. But this one, for this video you're watching now, I've targeted this key phrase, is TubeBuddy worth the money? And when we explore that, we get an overall score which we see is excellent. 96 out of 100. And what that's suggesting here is that it's a good amount of search volume. We can see it's in the yellow section. It's not quite amber, but it's a reasonable amount of search volume. Competition is excellent, means there's not much competition for this particular phrase, is TubeBuddy worth the money? And optimization strength is also very strong because it's a long-tailed keyword, that whole particular phrase, so I should do very well for this as well. So hopefully I've covered the is TubeBuddy worth it video, which I've just uploaded, and this video, which is targeted for is TubeBuddy worth the money, which is a different phrase. It will appeal to a slightly different audience. Well, it's the same audience, but a slightly different search phrase. Now, this doesn't have as many. The average number of views for the ranked videos on this is only 623, but that's a useful amount of views, because my average is 153. So actually, it's 5 times the amount. Well, it's 4 times, isn't it? Just over 4 times the amount of normal views I would get for a video. So that is good for YouTube, because that's gonna, if I can get the top ranking for is TubeBuddy worth the money, and you'll know if I've managed to do that, because if you're watching this video and that was your search phrase, that will prove that this worked well. And for me, that is all down to TubeBuddy being worth that, because it gives me the keywords explorer, and it also gives me those suggestions in the tags once I actually upload a video. So hopefully that does confirm for you. Personally, I think it's worth it. I've been using TubeBuddy for several years now. I've got over 23,000 subscribers to my YouTube channel at this particular moment. It's a useful second income, and it's well worth for me to pay for TubeBuddy, because even if it saves me a couple of hours, your time is money. You should never give away your time for free, because it's a very limited resource that we have. So that's the way I view it. Anyway, there is a link in the description as well. If you'd like to get TubeBuddy, please do help support my channel by using my link, because that will give me a small extra affiliate income. So link in the description for that. Hopefully you found the video useful. Do subscribe to my channel if you want more tips on how to make a secondary income, how to put your money to work. That's pretty much what my channel is all about. So do subscribe if that's of interest to you, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.